just traveling, traveling, traveling. I'm just traveling on.
So, you know what I'm most excited about this weekend?
Of course, it's hanging out with me again.
That's always fun. No, I'm actually excited because this weekend finally has the potential to be sweatshirt weather.
It does. The weather forecast looks great as we head down to northeast Alabama to Desoto State Park. Got some great reviews online for this park. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, we actually have been there a couple of times a long time ago.
A while back.
Yeah, we were dating and we did a couple of day trips, like checked out the waterfalls and hiked, but I don't remember a whole lot about it. And we certainly have never camped there, so that's what's going to be new and really fun for us. We've got some great meals planned and we're going to take you along with us.
Come on.
We got a later start than we'd hoped, so by the time we arrived, we had to navigate dark, winding roads into the campground. Definitely not something we recommend. We were especially thankful for an easy pull-through spot. A crisp morning was perfect for our easy cinnamon rolls we roast on s'more sticks over the campfire. We did an early morning hike down to the country store to learn more about the park. Ziplining is popular at Desoto and the lines run right over the trail. Desoto has a lot of hiking trails to choose from at every difficulty level. Tucker led the way on the Azalea Trail. With just the two of us on this trip, we splurged on scallops for dinner and seared them in the cast iron skillet over the open fire. We used a lemon herb butter, fresh lemon juice, parsley, and quick cooking linguine noodles. Just sear the scallops in the hot butter for about 4 minutes on each side. Squeeze on the juice of a fresh lemon and sprinkle on some parsley. It's that easy. Day 2, we fueled up at the Mentone Market, part adorable store, part lunch stop and grocery.
So there are 2 waterfalls that are definitely worth checking out when you stay at the park. One is about 10 miles south. It is called Little River Canyon. It's one of only 19 at the National Preserve, so you definitely want to check it out. And then we just arrived here at Desoto Falls, which is really cool. It's only about a 7-mile drive north of the park, but it is definitely worth seeing.
Desoto Falls is a 104-foot drop and has carved its own canyon. It's an easy walk to the overlook with a picnic area at the top. We enjoyed our visit to Little River Canyon even more with an overlook into one of the South's deepest canyons. You can also hike to the area above the fall and explore in and around the water. Tucker did great on the steep parts of this one and even earned his Bark Ranger badge from the National Park Service.
Now you have to promise to respect wildlife. The other one that is important is on here, know where you can go.
Both the upper and lower campground at Desoto have really large spots and are nicely wooded. Until next time, remember, the best place to be is together, and the best place to be together is in the outdoors. Join us next time we're on the road with Dolly.